To deposit a check with Ally Bank mobile app, start by opening the app and logging into your account. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you are logged in, tap the menu icon and select Deposit Checks. This will take you to the mobile deposit page where you can begin the deposit process. Before you start, make sure you have a check that is eligible for mobile deposit. Ally Bank accepts most types of checks, including personal and business checks. But some checks may not be eligible, such as money orders or traveler's checks. Also, ensure your check is properly endorsed with your signature and the words "for mobile deposit only" at Ally Bank. To deposit your check, tap the Start Deposit button and select the account where you want to deposit the funds. You can choose from your existing Ally Bank accounts, including checking, savings, and money market accounts. Enter the amount of the check and take a photo of the front and back of the check using your mobile device's camera. Make sure the check is placed on a flat surface and the image is clear and well lit. After you have taken the photos, review the deposit details to ensure everything is accurate. Check the account number, check amount, and the images of the check to make sure they are clear and legible. If everything looks good, tap the Submit button to complete the deposit. Once you have submitted your deposit, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your deposit has been received. The funds will be available in your account according to Ally Bank's mobile deposit funds availability policy, which is typically within 1 to 2 business days. You can also track the status of your deposit in the app by going to the mobile deposit page and viewing the deposit history. As a best practice, make sure to keep the check in a safe place for at least 7 days after you have deposited it. In case there are any issues with the deposit, after 7 days, you can void the check and destroy it to prevent it from being deposited again. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely deposit checks using the Ally Bank mobile app.